So I'm saving up for a rainy day. You just never know what's gonna come your way. And so this is some sequin ribbon, and then this is some holographic dot tool, and that's for any kind of project. And then I have some freshwater pearls, some shell, and then I got some rock that goes with this, because if you look closely you can see like a shade of like this kind of pink here. So I wanted to bring that out. These are some stone turtles, some ceramic owls, and then this is some gemstone lazurite chips that I figured go with the owl. And then I just started some little projects here. These are kid friendly, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. And I bought a couple packs of those. And so this is called It's a Planner Thing, and this is for like a binder. And then I got some pins, Planner Addict, and then I got It's a Planner Thing patches.